Binance just confirmed Terra Luna Classic burn. Don't panic. This is big. Terra Classic has grown enormously in price since its update. What will be the price ceiling for this cryptocurrency? Will it be able to break into the top of the best cryptocurrencies? We will answer these questions in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Investment Channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. The current price of Terra Classic today is $0.000248 with a 24-hour trading volume of $512,035,696. We update our lunc price in US dollars in real time. The 4-hour lunc chart complemented other indicators on the network, as it assumed a huge advantage of bulls in the market. The exponential moving average, EMA, tape indicated a large gap between the 20-day EMA and the 55-day EMA, thereby indicating that buyers have an advantage. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD, readings also painted a similar picture, as the blue lines seem to be moving away from the red line. All indicators and market indicators point in the same direction that lunc may grow in the coming weeks, bringing joy to its investors. Nevertheless, on the one hand, the EMA and MACD tape showed a bull market. On the contrary, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, declined slightly on September 1st, which may hinder the continued growth of the lunc. Terra Classic community has successfully pushed the lunc price to hit the $0.0005 target. With a market cap of nearly $3.5 billion, Terra Classic has now entered the top 30 crypto list. The price has skyrocketed over 55% in a day and 300% in the last 10 days. In anticipation of the 1.2% tax burn proposal, the community aims for a short-term target of 1 cent. Terra Classic, lunc, is witnessing unprecedented support from the community. With a continued massive daily trading volume of over $2 billion, the lunc price has now hit the $0.0005 target. Interestingly, Terra Classic has now become a top 30 cryptocurrency as per CoinMarketCap. The lunc price has rallied 37,000% from its bottom during the Terra crisis. In fact, the price has jumped nearly 350% in the last 10 days due to burning, staking, project building, ecosystem education, and governance activities. Over 500 billion lunc tokens have now been staked and almost 3.62 billion lunc tokens have been burned. In the last 24 hours, the lunc price has soared over 55% backed by a strong trading volume of over $2.75 billion. The 24-hour low and high are $0.00034006 and $0.005386. The market cap is nearly $3.5 billion, leaving behind Monero, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, and other popular cryptocurrencies. The community decided on a short-term target of 1 cent earlier this week. If Terra Classic continues to record a daily trading volume of over $2 billion, the price target may hit this month itself. Currently, the Terra Classic community looks to pass the 1.2% tax burn proposal, which is set for voting on September 10th. If passed, the 1.2% tax burn will be implemented by September 20th. At present, crypto exchanges such as MEX Global, KuCoin, Gate.io, and Coinon have agreed to support the proposal. Binance announcing support for the burn proposal will be huge for the community. The governance proposal, 1.2% tax parameter change, seeks to change tax to 1.2% and burn the tax for on-chain activities such as lunc and USTC transfers between wallets and smart contracts. The community aims to make Terra Classic, lunc, deflationary with the proposal. The proposal will increase the burn rate of lunc tokens and decrease the overall supply. It will also increase the price of Terra Classic, lunc. Following the meteoric rise of meme coins in 2021 led by Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, interest in the two assets appears to have faded in line with the general cryptocurrency price movement. However, Terra Classic, lunc, the old chain of the collapsed Terra, Luna ecosystem, appears to be taking over the throne. In particular, lunc has recorded significant growth after the price went to near zero, and its movement has increasingly mirrored Doge's trajectory. Analysis by Santiment indicates. The analysis notes that lunc is recording a new wave of crowd attention, with investors pumping more money into the asset. For instance, the price and trading volume of lunc are currently following the same pattern as Doge at the same time last year. Interestingly, both tokens registered an initial run-up before embarking on a flat consolidation followed by the resumption of significant interest. Similarly, the interest in lunc has also reflected social trends, whereas of September 8th, lunc-related keywords accounted for the first and eighth position on the Santiment's tracker, translating to growing attention among the masses. Based on this trend, the study notes that lunc will likely crash, similar to Doge and SHIB. Overall, following Terra's collapse, lunc has emerged among the best-performing crypto tokens, recording significant buying pressure as investors attempt to regain the lost glory. By press time, lunc was trading at $0.003738, having recorded gains of over 30% in the last 7 days. However, on the 24 hours chart, lunc is experiencing a sell-off with losses of 16% in 24 hours, a scenario linked to possible cashing out by investors. Amid the sell-off, the analysis further shows that the money exiting lunc is likely going to Terra 2.0, Luna, considering the relationship between the two assets. In this line, Luna has pumped over 160% in the last 7 days, trading at around $4.80 by press time. It is worth noting that the price movement of the collapsed Luna ecosystem tokens has mainly been driven by the community's activity, which has resorted to short squeezes to drive the price up. Similarly, the assets continue to receive support from crypto entities like exchanges. Furthermore, lunc developers are also rolling increased network activity, aiming to give the asset utility. For instance, developers have rolled out a burning mechanism to minimize the token's supply and potentially trigger a price rally. Crypto derivatives exchange FTX on Monday said it will suspend deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, from September 12 at 1400 UTC. In addition, FTX will end support for Anchor Protocol, delist ANC, and suspend ANC spot and futures on September 12. Crypto exchange FTX, in an official announcement on September 5, revealed that deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD, USTC, will be suspended on September 12 at 2 p.m. UTC. FTX wallet will no longer support deposit and withdrawal services. However, the crypto exchange will continue to support the convert function for lunc and USTC. FTX recommends completing deposits and withdrawals before the deadline. Deposits and withdrawals made after the deadline will not credit to wallets. In addition, FTX will delist Anchor Protocol, ANC, token. It will also end support for ANC spot and futures markets on September 12 at 2 p.m. UTC. FTX will cancel all ANC, USD and ANC perp orders, cease trading on ANC, USD and ANC perp markets, and suspend ANC deposits and withdrawals. Moreover, ANC perp will cash expire to a 1-hour TWAP of its corresponding index prices. However, the convert function for ANC will be available on the crypto exchange. Last week, FTX supported the Terra Classic, lunc, network upgrade on August 26. It reopened withdrawals for all Terra Classic tokens after a successful upgrade. Binance earlier announced the suspension of Terra Classic and Terra Classic USD due to the closure of the shuttle bridge. This ended deposits and withdrawals of Terra Classic, lunc, via the Ethereum network. However, users can still use the Terra Classic network to deposit and withdraw their lunc and USTC tokens. Terra community continues to support Terra Classic, lunc, and Terra Classic USD despite the Terra crisis. In fact, all Terra tokens Luna, lunc, and USTC saw massive daily trading volume. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.